Oh, what the hell, Lindsey?
He's a marshal, Randall. That's what they do.
Shit. Well, let's go.
That's close enough.
Come alone from the looks of it. That's something.
I did.
Just you and your shotgun. I, for the record, am unarmed.
There ain't any record, Randall. Not today. Lindsey?
Raylan,
Feel like I missed a step along the way somewhere.
how's that song go? Look for the rainbow in every storm?
I have to download that.
How'd you find us?
She didn't tell you about her little phone call?
You said you dialed 911.
She must have dialed wrong because my phone rang. That was quite a number you did on poor Alvin.
Oh, you didn't even sleep with my wife. Think how you're gonna look.
Is that your thing, Randall? Your weak spot? You want her spinning up the boys, keep them pixelated like Longfellow deeds, but you just can't stand the thought that she might enjoy it too. Gotta take something back, feel like a man.
Are you forgetting the part where she gets off on it, me batting clean up, or did you fail to notice who she's here with?
I wondered about that. Wondering why it is you called me. Hoping I'd ride up, rescue you from all this, tell me how he put you up to it, or just 'cause it'd be fun watching us tear one another up. Hurts, don't it? They're beanbag rounds. Not my thing ordinarily. An associate of mine thought non-lethal force might come in handy. I figured, what the hell, I'll give it a shot. You know, girl walks out on me, usually I can count on, like, a letter or something.
I was never much of a hand at it.
Prefer a clean break, like ripping off a Band-Aid.
Suppose you're gonna ask me why.
Doesn't matter.
We ought to know I never meant to.
You know what? Let's not do that.
So what now?
What now is, where's my money?
That hurts, don't it? More than any pussy-ass beanbag gun. Just take that. You're going to a dark place, Marshal. I want my face to be the last thing you see. Come on.
You always talk this much when you fight.
Oh, honey, this ain't a fight. It's an execution.
Hey!
Lindsey. That's my girl. Oh, shit. Baby, give me this thing.
You want your money? It's all right in that van up there. What?
I knew you liked me.